Hi guys! So, nagawa ko na lahat from homepage to Silo 5. And ito na yung pinaka-final part ng ating Google site for RE1. So, let's start with my homepage. So, nakalagay dito may Ariba journey, yung introducing myself. I have my picture here, name, then yung video yung video ko na pinagsama-sama ko as a vlog. Doon lahat yung mga hobbies ko and everything. Here naman, next, yung nakalagay my Letran 4 program. Nagkaroon kami ng ito ata yung pinakaunang-unang RE encounter ko sa Letran. So, next naman is yung relaunch page. So, dito yung nakalagay yung Revelation and Faith, Overview and Journey, Summary of Contents ko from Module 1 to Module 5. Then, of course, dito sa RE1 namin, nagkaroon kami ng small family and yung tawag namin ay My BEC. So, ang name is Magnus Opus. Then, next is Siluan tayo. So, dito nakalagay yung sa laudare, meaning to praise. Benedicere to bless, then predicare to preach. So, every silos, nakalagay yung mga laudare, benedicere, and predicare na activities namin. So, dito sa Silo 1, nakalagay yung prayer experience namin as a BEC family. Next is yung prayer composition. Sa benedicere naman, nakalagay yung 4 pillars of Dominican life, like yung prayer, study life, community life, and apostolate life. And then, nakalagay yung una naming badge, Mastery of Module 1. So, every silos din, meron kaming quizzes. And, pag na-perfect namin yun, magkakaroon kami ng badge. So, next is yung Silo 2. Nakalagay dito sa laudare namin is yung Biblia Rasal. Meaning yung Biblia Rasal, Biblia, Aral, and Dasal. So, every time na magkakaroon kami ng meeting, parang kaming nagba-Bible study na rin, and hinihingi namin or pinapakinggan namin yung mga opinions ng each member of ng aming BEC. Next is Benedicere to Bless, yung ABC program Bible Apostolate namin. May kita dito kung paano namin siya ginawa from scratch and yung kinalabasan ng activity. Next is syempre yung Benedicere, yung pangalawa naman natin badge na for Mastery of Module 2. Next is yung Silo 3. Dito naman nakalagay sa laudare is yung love letter to God. Medyo personal siya. Medyo personal. Pero personal talaga siya for me. So, pag binasa to deserve, I hope ma-appreciate niya. So, benedicere naman yung Huggatry activity wherein nagpicture kami, kakapyakap namin yung puno. Predicare, yung badge ulit, pero Mastery of Module 3. So, next is yung Silo 4. Nakalagay dito sa laudare yung what it means to follow Jesus. So, naglagay ako dito ng 3 videos, pero actually, podcast siya. Ginawa kong video. So, may mga at iba-ibang title siya, 3 podcast. Then, Benedicere, Your Jesus, My Jesus. Nakalagay dito yung mga pictures ni Jesus, perspective ng BEC namin, perspective ng ibang tao kay Jesus, popular images niya dito sa Philippines, then para sa akin, sino ba siya? And then, syempre, may predicare ulit, may badge ulit ng Module 4. Lastly, Silo 5. Sa laudare namin, yung Holy Spirit prayer namin. Benedicere to bless, nag-drawing ako ng trees na nakalagay dito yung mga gifts of the Holy Spirit, the fruits of the Holy Spirit, yung mga sacraments na receive ko simula bata ako up until now. And, syempre may reflection. Lastly, yung predicary to preach, yung page ko, lastly, for the mastery of Module 5. So, ayun lang naman yung Google site ko for RE1 and medyo ginandahan ko siya ulit kasi nung una parang nagmamadali lang ako, but now pinaganda ko siya kasi mas concise and at the same time mas ako talaga yung nandito, like the colors, yung words and everything, makikita talaga kung sino ako, and I hope na ma-appreciate yun, guys, and lalo na ni Sir kasi very personal talaga itong Google set, and nag-enjoy ako. So thank you guys for watching.